Hi friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet keyring designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet keyring or crochet keychain is a small decorative accessory made using crochet techniques, usually attached to a keyring or keychain. These are typically handmade using yarn and a crochet hook, often stuffed with fiber fill to create a soft, plush look. Common types of crochet keyrings: amigurumi keychains, tiny stuffed crochet animals, food items, or cute characters. Blood crochet keyrings, simple designs like flowers, hearts, or stars that are not stuffed. Themed keyrings, mini versions of popular objects like tiny bags, hats, or symbols. Later or name keychains, rotated into tails or bars for personalization. These make great handmade gifts or personalized accessories. Creating a crochet keyring is fun and adds for a lot of creativity. Here are some useful tips to help you make high quality, durable, and attractive keychains. First, choose the right yarn. Use cotton yarn for durability and a neat finish. Acrylic yarn can also work, but maybe first year of a time. For mini projects, go for thin yarn, spot or thicker weight to keep the keyring lightweight. Use a smaller hook size, a smaller crochet hook. Create the tighter stitches, preventing stuffing from showing through. Keep it small and compact. Avoid large designs. Aim for a thumb-size keyring. If making amigurumi style keychains, ensure a frame and even shape. Stuff properly if making plush keyrings. Use polyfill stuffing, but don't overstuff. Keep it frame but not structured. Use a chopstick or tweezers for small areas. Secure keyring attachments. Use a sturdy jump ring or lobster clubs to attach the crochet bit. Reinforce with a few extra stitches to keep it from losing over time. Add extra details. Embroider eyes, details, or small patterns for uniqueness. Add safety eyes for amigurumi keyrings, but secure them properly. Use small buttons, beads, or ribbons for extra decoration. Finish neatly. Weave in all ends securely to avoid underleaving. Block or shape the keyring for a clean and polished look. If needed, lightly stiffen flat keyrings with fabric stiffener. Use the magic ring techniques. When making round or amigurumi keychains, start with the magic ring to avoid a hole in the center. This gives a neater and more professional look. Reinforce weak points, double knot, and weave in yarn tails securely to prevent interleaving. If adjusting limbs or details, use strong stitches like the whip stitch or back stitch for extra hold. Experiment with color and texture. Try ombre yarns, variegated yarns, or different stitch patterns. For variety, consider using fuzzy yarn for a plus look, but be careful. Fuzzy yarn is harder to work with. Add a protective coating, optional. If your keyring will be used daily, you can lightly spray it with fabric stiffener to maintain its shape. A thin layer of motifs or diluted glue can prevent wearing. Create theme sets. Make a set of matching keyrings, fruit keychains, mini animals, or cartoon characters for gift or selling. Seasonal designs. Personalized it. Add embodied details, small charms, or tiny crochet letters to make it unique. Added a small fabric or fox leather tag with your logo if you are selling them. Keep it lightweight. Avoid making keychains too heavy by using lightweight yarn and minimal stuffing. Use thin metal keychains instead of bulky ones to reduce weight. Try different shapes. Explore heart-shaped, curved, or tube keychains for unique designs. Try tiny crochet bags, mini hats, or micro placias for a trendy look. Use invisible decreases for amigurumi keyrings. Instead of regular decreases, use invisible decreases for smoother shaping. This helps prevent gaps, making your stuffed keychains look neater. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!